So you guys, welcome back. It's your boy Akahilz. We have UK vows to clamp down on misleading crypto ads. So guys, it's your boy Akahilz. Welcome. If this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube videos and content if you find them beneficial. So guys, I'll also be dropping the link in the description box so you can check it out. So back to news. It says, and table of contents eager to support innovation. So the UK has revealed plans to clamp down on misleading cryptocurrency adverts. Under the proposals, digital assets will be subject to the same rules as stocks, shares, and insurance policies or products. So while the government says it wants to encourage innovation, it also wants us to be fair, clear, and not misleading. So the changes mean crypto ads will fall under the Financial Conduct Authority's remit, and it wants to address concerns about the ease and speed with which people can make high-risk investments. The top priorities include beefing up the risk warnings that appear on ads as well as banning incentives to invest. This means refer a friend bonuses could soon become a thing of the past. So figures released by the FCA last year suggest that 2.3 million Britons now own cryptocurrencies, but many consumers have made an investment without being aware of the risk. Constitution on the FCA's proposal is now being held on March, paving the way for finalized rules to be confirmed in the summer. The regulator's executive director of markets, Sarah Pritchard, said too many people are being led to invest in products they don't understand and which are too risky for them. People need clear, fair information and proper risk warnings if they are to invest with confidence, which is the central aim of our consumer investment strategy. So eager to support innovation, the UK appears to be striking an upbeat tone with its announcement, with the government eager to support innovation in crypto assets. The Chancellor Rishi Sunak added, the crypto assets can provide exciting new opportunities, offering people new ways to transact and invest, but it's important that consumers are not being sold products with misleading claims. We are ensuring consumers are protected while also supporting innovation of the crypto asset market. In particular, the government says that it recognizes how stablecoins can provide a more efficient means of payment, reducing fees and waiting times once funds have been sent. It also marks a more proactive approach, although the Advertising Standards Authority has played a significant role in scrutinizing crypto ads as far. This regulator only ends up launching investigations once problematic promotions are in the public domain. So crypto ads have become increasingly prolific over recent months, especially in London. Earlier this month, a Freedom of Information request by The Guardian revealed that there were 40,000 crypto-related adverts on the capital transport network between April and September 2021, with some politicians calling for them to be banned altogether. So other countries are also beginning to take action. On Monday, Spain unveiled new measures that many advertisers will need to provide clear, balanced, impartial, and non-deceptive content on the risks involved with investing in digital assets. So anyone planning to launch a mass advertising campaign targeting at least 100,000 people must get in touch with the National Securities Market Commission first. The 10 days in advance, influencers who endorse companies and products on social media sites will also be subject to these rules. The FCA makes no mention of the influencers in the latest announcement. So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap blog. Feel free to like, share, subscribe if you find this update beneficial. Should be okay. Stay safe for more. Stay tuned for more, guys. Peace out and more love.